Welcome to Not So Creative. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to knit the M1R. This is a fantastic technique to add stitches to your knitting that lean to the right, perfect for shaping garments, shawls, or any project that needs directional increases. Let's grab our needles and get started. To begin, locate the horizontal bar between the stitch you just worked and the next stitch on your left needle. This bar is where we'll create the new stitch. Using your left needle, lift the bar from back to front. Now, knit into the front loop of the bar. The twist from knitting into the front closes any gap and gives your fabric a polished look. And that's it. Notice how it leans slightly to the right, complementing directional shaping in your pattern. Let's try it again. Although most increases happen on the right side, you might occasionally need to make this increase on the purl side. Here's how you do it. Locate the horizontal bar between the stitches and lift it with your needle from back to front. Purl into the front loop of this bar. The twist ensures there's no gap, creating a smooth and clean increase. Let's do it again. Now, let's compare the increases. I am currently on the right side row, and here's the increase I made from the wrong side row. Let's create an increase again on the right side to compare the results. Look how, whether you make this increase on the knit or purl side, both increases lean to the right and look consistent. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow knitters. Let me know in the comments what other techniques you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.